Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anno right here, and I am back with another freaking video.
We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man.
On today's video, guys, it's all about this wig on my hair, how I cut the lace on the wig. This video for today, it's all about how I cut my lace closures. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I cut my lace closures, and this lace closure, there is nothing like any glue that I put on it. This lace closure, it layers itself. Like I just put a little band on the wig. You will see it in the video. The video is coming up, you know. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you are a new viewer on my channel. Please do not forget to hit this. And guys, if you hit the subscribe button, do not say subscribe. Please say I love your channel or I visit your channel, girl. Please, because YouTube is doing a trick now. There's a trick going on in YouTube. When you put the word subscribe, be ready to lose those subscribers. Do not even go back and even bother to subscribe on your channel, because they're gonna go away. I mean, they will go away without you even knowing. So please, when you want to subscribe on somebody's channel, tell them I love your channel or I visit your channel. That is the word we're gonna be using from now, because the YouTube is driving me nuts. Like guys, you won't believe I got this little story to tell right now. Last night, that was on Friday night, I slept. Before I go to bed, I was at 986 or 88. I said, no girl, don't sleep, get up, check for some people who are online live screen, and please go there and try to show some love if you can get some support from there. I could not sleep. 11, I was up checking for subscribers. I finally got my 1k. I mean, I even passed the 1k. I was at 1002. I said, oh my god, thank god I finally reached at 1k. I called my roommate, we were celebrating. I was like, oh my god, I am now at 1k. I finally reached 1k. Oh my god, I don't know, I was so happy, jubilating, freaking out, and doing everything. That night was for me to get up this morning, Saturday morning, and this video is Saturday. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it, but it's on Saturday morning. Only for me to get up in the morning, guys. You imagine what I saw. I saw 988 subscribers. I mean, when I saw it, I was like, YouTube, stop kidding me. No, my eyes are not seeing what this is not my channel. So I said, okay. I open my go to my passport, bam. I checked it out, guys. It was same 988 subscribers. I was so freaked out. I said, oh my god, I'm gonna stop this YouTube channel. I'm gonna stop this freaking thing, because you work hard to get those subscribers, and finally the subscribers are just gonna go away in less than a day. In less than a day, the subscribers are just gonna disappear just like that. YouTube, you're not being fair. Please, if you want to take at least 2, 3. Don't take more than 10, please. In a day, don't take more than 10. You freaking me out. So guys, that is it. That is the story. Sorry I've taken so much of your time, but I needed to share this with you guys out there, because this thing is driving me nuts. I don't know the video is coming out, so just keep watching, enjoy the video. So please sit down, get snacks, relax yourself. Let's forget about the YouTube. Let's catch some fun. So watch the video, and please give the video a thumbs up if you like the video. Please, even if you don't like the video, give the video a thumbs up, because I tried my best. Because with all the moody was into, I still manage myself to come up and give you guys the best video, like to give you something to like put up a video for you guys out there. So thank you guys so very much for watching. So I love you also very much. I will see you guys in my next video that will be coming up soon. As you, it's all about the wig. You've seen from the title what I'm about to do today. So guys, I want to show you guys how I cut my lace closure. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I cut my lace closure wig, just keep watching, and thank you guys so much for always tuning into my channel. Thank you, new subscribers. I see you, all of you out there. I see you all out there. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. I really do appreciate you. So thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning into my channel if you are an old subscriber. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting with cutting off my closure, I need to put a band from my ear to ear to help me secure it, because I'm doing it without glue. So I need a band. So I will show you guys the band I'll be using. This is the band I'm using. So I'll just go in and try to measure it from my ear to ear, and from here I'm gonna cut it, and I will use a thread and a needle to stitch it. So I'll just cut the part I'm going in with a needle. I'm just gonna thread the needle in. Sorry, I don't know if you guys have seen what I'm showing. So you go in from your ear to ear. You understand when the lace closure starts and when it begins. So you just take it and place it. You place it from here, from where you have from here, and you go in now with your needle. Do the same thing with the other side. I am doing this method because I don't want to use a glue. I don't want to use a glue, so that is why you see me putting on this band, because we can be secured without a glue when you have this band. So that is it. You just go in and cut the needle, and that's it. So this is how it should be looking like. This is how your wig should be looking like when you put the band. So now guys, I will go in now showing you without taking too much of your time out there. I will just go in now and place it. So this band has to be behind your neck, like here. See how I'm going in with it? Take it and you put it from here. This is my concrete swollen from here. So you just go in and put it here, and you take, we have some bobby pins inside, so you just go in and put it as you put it here. It's well secured now, you can't move. You go in now with your bobby pin, you secure it from down. You see the behind now, it's well laid. When you do it, you see the behind, it's well laid. And now you come to the front part.
So when it's well laid and on my head track, I start from the middle. Like
I go in like this. So you have to make sure you do this. You have to make sure you do this gently, as in gently, because you don't want to roll it out. So you just go in gently with the first side of it. You have to follow your line. So as you can see, when I'm going, it's so very easy. You just go in with the first side of it. So guys, when you're doing this, you have to be very careful, and you have to do it as gently as you can, because if you do any slight mistake, you're going to ruin everything out. So this is the most delicate part. So guys, you just have to take this all around, and that's it. So this is what I got from it. I think I got 2 strands of hair up from it, so it's good. Now you go in with the other side. This hair, I haven't plucked the hair. I haven't done anything with the hair. Like, I just removed the hair from the package. I haven't plucked the hair. So you see, I got some leftover hair here to cut. From here, I got some leftover hair I need to cut. So now I go in with this other side. So going with this side, you just need to put it go in this way. This is the most easiest way I think you can cut from your left side. So you just go in and put. And so guys, so that's it. So when you're done with this part of it, so guys, this is the second one. So guys, that is how I cut my lace closures. So that's just how I do it. It's very simple, easy going. You don't need to waste any time. You just put a middle part, you just cut it in the middle, you take this first part and you take the second part. So that is the video. That is it, guys. I hope the video is helpful to someone. I think I need to cut a little part of this. I'm gonna cut a little part of this so this part can lay well. So guys, I'm just trying not to make the hair lay from this side, as in to curve the ear parts. So guys, this is what this is what I got from it. So this is what I was trying to do. I was trying to curve the ear part to put it out. So this is how the side it's looking like. Oh guys, look at what I got out from my hair. Oh my good God, look at. Okay. On this other side is the same thing, the same method you're going to do to this other side, to cut the ear part and leave it out. So that's it.
When you're doing all that, you can go in now and apply your gel if you got the gel, if you want to lay the hair down with a little bit of gel. So you just go in now and lay the hair down.
And that is it, guys. That is it for the video of today. I hope this video is helpful to someone out there. I hope you guys find this video interesting, and please give the video a thumbs up. So guys, this is the hair without no glue, guys. I mean, I didn't put any glue on this hair. You guys saw me. I just kept the lace closure, and that is it. So you can rock your hair without glue when you have this band, when you have this the elastic band I showed you from the beginning when I put on the cap. You can rock it with no glue when you have the band on it. So guys, this is a very helpful tips. I said I should share it with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so very much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you always being there, always tuning into my channel, like always showing me that support that I really do need.